The top 5 altcoins for February of 2021, DeFi only. Today we're going to be diving into 5 different coins ranked by market cap. What we're going to do is go over the fundamental of the coins so you understand them, and then hop over to CoinMarketCap in my laptop and share with you the exact tokenomics going on. So let's get started. Right off the bat, we have the 5 tokens: Cream Finance, Serum, SRM, PancakeSwap, Cake, Doorchain, Rune, and lastly, Chainlink, Link. And again, these are ranked by lowest cap altcoins to highest cap altcoins. So to start off, we'll talk about Cream Finance, but then we'll end off with Chainlink, Link. And we'll kind of explain the thesis for each of these as we go. And then again, we'll hop over to CoinMarketCap. So let's get straight into it. Cream Finance, this has a $31 million market cap. This one is so important for DeFi right now. And again, all of these coins circulate around decentralized finance because that's really what I'm most passionate about in this cryptocurrency space. With kind of all these different global investment strategies, I think decentralized finance is absolutely vital. I am personally most focused on having a decentralized application for emerging market real estate. So basically having a tokenized version of different properties on the blockchain in a decentralized manner. And there's really no project serving this purpose yet, but all of these solutions are kind of laying the framework for this. So Cream Finance is basically similar to the Compound or Comp project. And some of you may know this, but basically this is a liquidity mining platform. And basically what the issue with Comp is sometimes the token distribution is a bit off. But the Cream token distribution, and it's kind of like Cream get the money, cash flows everything around me, Cream get the money, dollar bill, yo. It's like that. That's kind of the idea. And the user interface, by the way, if you go to cream.finance, is incredible. I'll have links for all these coins in the description as well as the CoinMarketCap. But first I'll basically have their website and then I'll have the CoinMarketCap and just keep staggering from there. The user interface actually looks really interesting. It kind of has this retro look to it. And with this project, I could definitely see an airdrop coming in the future. It's very interesting. Let's hop over to Cream on CoinMarketCap. Sitting right at $206, we're up 18%. This is very interesting token. You know, this 24-hour high was $221. If we go, I always like to see the 1-year low and high. So the all-time high is $288. Low is $9.24. Definitely missed out on this one. But like for me, Chainlink is a project that I got in very early on, and I see these projects is in very beginning stages. I mean, look at this market cap. It's so small. $30 million market cap. You have 24-hour volume. I personally like to see 24-hour volume over 10 million, so that's good to see. But as you can see, you know, it's up 41%, so typically it's a lot lower. Circulating supply is 149,000 Cream, and there will only ever be 2,924,000 Cream. Okay, that's interesting. This chart's interesting. Okay, so this was that $288. Okay. Yep, so this is an interesting project. I think with all of these, we're seeing kind of this parabolic move towards the upside, but this is just the beginning. I mean, if this bull run really plays out, when Ethereum kind of like doubles its new all-time high and gets to, I think around the $3,000 mark is where I'm aiming at. I mean, these altcoins are going to go parabolic. I mean, Cream Finance is going to go crazy, so let's hop into the next coin. Now that you understand Cream Finance a little bit, let's talk about a competitor to Synthetics, SNX. Serum, SRM, has a $100 million market cap, so it kind of has a lot more room to grow than Synthetics. And if it just catches up to Synthetics, this could be a massive move. So again, SRM, this is, at least in my opinion, Synthetics, but with more potential. And if you don't understand Synthetics, basically it's a decentralized derivative exchange, so a DDE. And this is basically for cross-chain trading, so you can not just have it on like the Ethereum blockchain or the Polkadot blockchain, but cross-chain, so interoperability. And right now it's native to Solana, but it plans to be interoperable with Ethereum. Let's jump over to the SRM token. Rank 136 and on 20,000 watch list. I think this is so undervalued, maybe the most undervalued in this whole list. Besides, I'm also bullish on PancakeSwap, which we'll be on to next. So Serum is right around $2.10. It's up about 12% in the past 24 hours. This all-time low in the past 24 hours was $1.83. If we flip over to the 1-year low high, we're sitting at a high of $3.78 and a low of 11 cents. So this is interesting. There's about 50 million circulating supply of Solana. That's only 1% of the max supply. 24-hour volume, that's looking nice. But this chart really lays out why I think it's so undervalued. I mean, look at this little peak up here. And this was just, you know, September 1st, 2020. We saw, you know, alt season kind of getting a little bit of hype in that September area. But I think in DeFi, especially in this area. But this is just the beginning. You know, this is really just a start for Serum, and this is going to be absolutely insane. Just like all these other ones, you're seeing a real load up. That's why I picked these for my February altcoins. Next is PancakeSwap, Cake. This is a $175 million market cap. It's on Binance, but it's really just kind of like the Uniswap version on the Binance Smart Chain. So the issue with Uniswap is it has such massive fees. And this is something that we've ran into with a lot of the ERC20 tokens with swapping. But with the Binance Smart Chain, let's say you swap 2 tokens, it'll cost you a couple of cents. Whereas like with Uniswap right now, you want to exchange just like $100 or $50, you're going to pay $30 or $20 in fees. So is it really worth it? So that's why I think PancakeSwap has massive potential. And it basically, as retail is running into DeFi, it has a lot of potential to bring people in because of the very, very low fees. And people aren't used to paying these like massive fees if you're dealing with something like cryptocurrency. You want things quick, easy, less fees. So that's PancakeSwap or Cake. Rank 110, 6,561 watch list. These metrics are important because this is what a lot of people are seeing. You know, if somebody comes onto CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, they're scrolling through, you know, this is 110, so a lot of people might not see this, but seeing it on a lot of watch lists is good because it shows that it has a lot of people following it. So kind of tracking the price on an everyday basis. And it's sitting right around $1.73. This is up kind of similar to how Serum was. We're at a volume, nice volume there. Again, the market cap is about 177 million. Let's see. Total supply there will ever be was 164 million Cake. This is looking, you know, all these kind of price charts, you'll see kind of a pattern emerging here is they're kind of starting to rise. Cake got a really nice run up, but you have to realize how young this project is. You know, all of these projects are very young except Chainlink. This one is very interesting though. I personally, like, I will probably be buying this up to at least $5. I think this thing could go to $10 or even $20. Look at what Uniswap has done. I mean, I first of all would be interacting with these projects. If you're listening to this, definitely be interacting with Cake, definitely be interacting with all of these projects because you're setting yourself for a potential airdrop. So even if, you know, they don't happen, it's important to learn how to use these dApps in this decentralized system, really be ahead of the curve. Let's jump into the next token. Doorchain, Rune. This has a $588 million market cap. This is a decentralized liquidity network, basically a cross-chain Uniswap on ShapeShift mobile application, and there's actually no know your customers, so no KYC. And this is fully autonomous and decentralized, massive staking rewards, around 200%. So very interesting project. Again, $588 million market cap. Let's jump over. $3.73. We're down 4.16%. Let's go to the all-time year low and high. All-time high, $4.03. You know, we're pretty dang close to that, but the low is 35 cents. So we are ranked 59 over here on 27,000 watch lists. Circulating supply is 158 million Rune. Total supply is 500 million. Okay. So wow. You know, this one is so interesting. This is basically like, you know, this project is so interesting because of the staking rewards. Maybe I'll make another video dedicated to this. Let me know in the comments if you want to see any of these coins, you know, a dedicated video specifically on how to use them a little bit more in depth. This video is just really going over kind of these coins that I will be watching in February, and I think you should keep your eye on. And for all these coins, again, what you can do is just go up here, add them to your watch list by clicking the star if you're on CoinMarketCap. Otherwise, you can go on CoinGecko. Let's get into the next one. Lastly, Chainlink. This one is so important. All DeFi needs data feeds from the real world, and this is what oracles do. Chainlink is the biggest of the oracles. It's kind of like the Coca-Cola of the oracle world. I think the second in line to Chainlink, in my opinion, would be API 3. So again, this is the oracle that's leading all the DeFi with data feeds. And not only is it leading just the oracles, but it's actually leading all the tokens, all the projects in the space. I think being in the top 10 is massive for Chainlink. I was aware of this project when it was around $1, and that's when I got in. So I think this is absolutely incredible. You can see a ton of watch lists, a massive market cap, right around 9.3 billion, 257,000 watch lists. I still think it's so undervalued. You know, this project is going to be huge for building on DeFi, just like Ethereum is. You know, Ethereum is a little bit redundant. Same with Bitcoin and these top 3 DeFi coins. They're obviously, or top 5 DeFi coins rather, they're obviously massive in the DeFi space. But I think as far as the ones with the most gains are the first couple with like lower market cap, and then Chainlink, you do have nice gains. But again, since it already has such a massive market cap, if you're looking for an oracle that has the most room to grow, but it's a little bit more risky, a little like less established than Chainlink, go over and check out API 3. I have a video dedicated on this. So circulating supply is 400 about 400 million link. That's about 40%. The max supply is 1 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.8 billion. Very interesting. Yeah, I was fortunate enough to get in around back here when it was around $1. And right here, we're kind of setting off for a nice hike. I could see, a more, I would almost say like a reasonable, honestly, price prediction for Chainlink is $100 in this bull run. I mean, mark my words, I think this can get to $100 this bull run. Let's wrap it up. So what do you think about these 5 coins? We will be actually tracking these on a spreadsheet throughout February, and we'll be checking in weekly with these DeFi coins. So stay tuned on our channel if you want to see how these coins are performing. If you think maybe in March, if we do another DeFi video, maybe you want to join and maybe you just want to do like a little bit in each of these coins. So I'll personally be tracking them, and I think this is kind of a fun thing to do in the decentralized finance space because some of these projects are small. I already hold some, I pretty much have each of these projects. Most obviously I hold in Chainlink. I got in there at $1, but I think some of these other projects could be kind of like the Chainlink for their individual niche. I'm especially bullish on Cakeswap and Cream. So let me know in the comments which ones you really like. This will be a very interesting project. So if you like this video, definitely leave a comment down below. Again, which one do you like? Also, as always with our channel, like, subscribe button all, If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, click the notification bell, and click all so you stay up to date on our time-sensitive content. As always, invest global, and until next time.